everyone. So today I've decided to do another A Day in the Life sports therapy video. This time I'm not going to be showing you me getting ready in the morning, because as you can see I have already gotten ready. I had to get up really early to get my kid to breakfast club. And I've just walked back. I'm a little bit out of breath. Just got back in and I've got about 25 minutes until my lecture starts. I'm hoping I have time to go grab a coffee. But I'm just going to take you with me today and we're just going to see how we get on and give you the sports therapy experience, hopefully. Let's go.
I'm taking you with me to my first lecture. I'm walking past the Ember Lounge, and the building that I have to go in is called the Flaxman Building. I've only been in there a couple of times, but this is what it looks like in case you need to know. So my first lesson was research in sports. It's a lot of theory-based stuff, so I just thought I'd quickly show you the amount of work, I guess, that we have to do. I actually quite enjoy this lesson. And then after this, we went for a break for drink and food. There's Lil, hi Lil, and there's my soup. I had mushroom soup. And literally, straight after that, I decided to go and help a level 6 with their dissertation by being a participant. So I had to do some exercises with them in the gym. And then my last lesson of the day, which was 2 until 4 o'clock, was vertebral clinical assessment. So we're basically learning a lot about the spine. And if you look where the red thing is, this is what a slip disc looks like. This is a part of the lumbar spine. And then you've got the thoracic spine and the cervical spine. And then here I'm trying to make sure that I get my superior and inferior facets right on the spine. And then we all got to have a go at palpating the spine. And so our lecturer was just showing us how to do that on myself.
Okay, so I've just got home from my last lecture, which ended at 4 o'clock. So I am about to go pick my son up from school. Because yeah, that's it for today. That's uni done. Now I've got to do all the boring parent things. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.